Hello everyone, how you doing today? And today we got a kind of funny laptop in the store. A client brought it in and he said like when he plugged the laptop to the charger and it exploded. So the charge port was exploded. And pretty much I was like, how can it explode? He's like, the charger failed, it wasn't charging, so he cut the cable and he connected directly to the wall outlet. So pretty much he injected 110 volt AC right to this one. So I didn't believe him until I got the laptop and I turned over and I see the whole smoking place on here. I already touched it a little bit, so it's cleaned up. So the whole thing is burned out. I can even see the part of the USB port is even melted in there. So I haven't opened this one, so I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what happens if you plug in 110 directly into the jack. Which I never recommend you guys to do it. I don't know how he is alive, so that's another big question. So I'm gonna open it up and see what happens when you do this kind of crazy stuff. So let's keep this video really short and open it up and see the results. So I'm gonna remove the hinge screws right away. This one is absolutely not repairable. Usually you just replace the motherboard, the whole thing inside, and sometimes it's not worth it. I think somebody opened this before, so I don't know, but I see little dents and bends on the sides. Maybe not, who knows. There's a little hinge in the middle, so we gotta move it around. Oh boy, I'm already getting all dirty in there. I don't know what the hell is going on. It's already throwing some stuff out. There we go. Oh boy. So this is what happens when you put 110 volts straight to your jack. You get a big smoke right over there. This is what happens. I see a big explosion right over here. That will be this connector here, the MOSFET right here. So that one is gone. Jack is gone. I'm pretty sure the over voltage it just went through and has fried the motherboard. And so this is what you get down here. You can try to remove the power jack. There's your power jack that is all fried up. Do not do this at home. If you have a question that regarding this one, the power jack went right through here. If it exploded this one, you have to replace this board over here, the USB port, the motherboard, and who knows if the RAMs are affected or not affected. That's another question. Again, I hope you guys like this video and you get an idea what happens when you connect your laptop directly to the wall outlet. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.